Welcome to another Mixology Monday. This is Lee, I'm Robbie. We got an awesome cocktail for you, brought to us by Lee here. Lee, what are we doing today, bud?
So today we're doing a riff on the Mai Tai that I'm calling the Black Tai, like T-A-I. And I call it that because we're adding our brand new coffee rum to it. Nice, dude. Way to incorporate the coffee rum into Mai Tai of all things. It's awesome.
All right, dude, so step one, I'm gonna put some ice in this shaker for you.
You know, a cool thing about the Mai Tai, when it first came out, it was so popular that it led to a worldwide rum shortage.
That is awesome.
Yeah, that's really cool. So hopefully this is the second worldwide rum shortage.
Yep. We'll always have it here at Muddy River. Oh. Well, we try. We should. It's very popular. All right, so I got ice in the shaker. What's next, brother?
So next we're gonna do an ounce of the silver.
All right, ounce of Silver Rum, Tom Cruise.
And this drink has been widely disputed as to who actually created it. Most people credit it to Trader Vic. He owned a bar in San Francisco, kind of started the whole tiki thing. Another guy that was around that same time was Don the Beachcomber. And he created a drink called the QB Cooler, which has pretty much all the different ingredients, but somehow still tastes the same. So they were kind of fighting about who did that. Ended up being Trader Vic, apparently, but who knows?
That's cool. And you are the Black Tai. You are the reason that's
I'm this next step to it.
Nice. All right, bud. I got the Silver Rum in there.
Silver Rum.
Now
we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of our white label Queen Charlotte.
All right. 3/4 of an ounce. Here we go. And?
All right, next thing will be 1/2 an ounce of lime juice.
1/2 an ounce of lime juice. Got it.
1/2 an ounce of Cointreau. I'm using Cointreau here. You could use also a dry Curaçao like from Pierre Ferrand, anything like that. I just had Cointreau. And then last will be Disarono. Now the original drink calls for orgeat, which is basically an almond syrup. I'm using Disarono because it's what I had, and any way we can sneak alcohol in there is also good to me. So
nice.
Yeah,
and it's kind of like anything else. Make it taste. Use what you have. Don't go buy that one special ingredient for that one drink.
Orgeat is hard to find. You pretty much have to order it online. All right.
We also need coffee rum in this, right?
Yes, we need 1 ounce of our coffee rum.
This coffee rum is stellar. It is a phenomenal coffee rum made with real coffee. You're missing out if you haven't tried this stuff. Just gonna get straight in the pot with that guy.
There you go. Feel free to go heavy on that if you want to. That's the specialty star of this drink.
Is that it, bud?
That's it. Just shake it and serve it.
Never on the first try, or the second. I'm actually gonna put some ice in our glasses. These are fun glasses, Lee.
Gotta use a tiki mug with the Mai Tai.
And there you have it, folks. That's our coffee Mai Tai, or our Black Tai Mai Tai. Thank you so much for watching this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. Come out to our facility and take a tour, and check us out in your local liquor store. Thanks for watching. Cheers, Lee.
Cheers.